Read reviews that most people are talking about Remoli bone conduction headphones. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. Next level bone conduction technology. Remoli's advanced bone conduction technology brings you unbeatable quality audio through your cheekbones, making it possible to fully enjoy your music while still being aware of your surroundings. With improved technology and a fully enclosed cavity, Remoli bone conduction headphones reduce sound leakage by up to 50%, providing an unparalleled audio experience. Best waterproof sports headphones. Designed with a titanium frame and weighing only 29 grams, these running headphones are not only comfortable but also flexible and durable. They have withstood stretching and bending without deformation. With an IP55 certified waterproof rating, you can use them for any sport such as running, hiking, and cycling, and even extreme sports. 8-hour battery life and Type-C fast charge. Enjoy up to 8 hours of music or calls without interruption. The wireless headphones support Type-C fast charging, which is safe and stable, and also come with a 10-minute quick charge feature that gives you 1.5 hours of battery life. Save time and hassle with Remoli HS1 earphones. Bluetooth headphones with built-in mic. Experience the freedom of wireless technology and stream music seamlessly with HS1's Bluetooth 5.0 capability. The noise-canceling feature will give you crystal clear sound during your hands-free calls, perfect for remote video conferences and lengthy business meetings. These workout earphones are perfect for sports enthusiasts and business people, making them versatile. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.